Good morning. My name is Dr. Shriram Purankar. I am from JP Business School, Noida. In today's video, we will be discussing 5 points. The first point is importance of business plan. The second point is dimensions of a business plan. The third point is why do you need a B plan? The fourth point is for whom do you need a B plan? And fifth point is when do you need a B plan? So let's start this journey. Importance of a business plan needs to be understood by one and all who is going to start a new venture. Business plan is like putting down your dream on a piece of paper. Business plan is a venture on which you'll be spending a lot of time, and therefore it needs to be taken seriously. You need to be thoughtful and you need to be truthful. But there are variety of several recorded comments which come up by people who think that business plan is not important. They say, why do I need to business plan at all? It's all there in my head. Some people say business plan are only for big companies who hire MBAs. I am a small company. Some other people say, I don't have time to write business plan. I'm too busy trying to get customers. In any case, who reads a business plan? And have all successful entrepreneurs written one? But I feel that it is something which is an absolute must for a startup. Writing a business plan greatly increases the chances that a person will actually develop a successful venture. But it's also important to understand that writing a business plan is a tedious task. Dimensions of a business plan. There are three dimensions on which business plan can be understood. One, business plan is a written description. Two, it is a future map. Three, it is a communication tool which helps the entrepreneur or the management team communicate to a lot of stakeholders within the organization and outside the organization. Why do you need a business plan? There are 5 reasons. One, it helps you achieve goals. Two, it helps the management team reinforce strategies. Three, it helps the management team establish milestones and track their business performance. Four, it helps the management team manage responsibilities. Fifth, it helps the management team manage resources, which is money, manpower, and material. Now, we need to understand for whom do you need a business plan? Again, there are 5 different audiences for the business plan. The first audience is the entrepreneurial or the promoter team themselves. The second audience are the people who are interested in investing in your business or the investors. The third is the bankers who will want to lend you money or give you credit. Fourth is the employees who are going to be working for your venture. And fifth is variety of alliances and partners who are going to be partnering with you. Now, when do you need a business plan? There are variety of stages in a business in which you need a business plan. You may need a business plan when you're starting up or even when you're expanding. This is because you will need to get resources or money. You'll need to spend energy and time in developing a sound strategy that works for your business. Then you also need a business plan when you're seeking funding. This helps investors gauge risk in your business, forecast growth prospects, and judge whether your business will be able to pay interest on time or whether it will be able to pay debt on time. You also need a business plan when you're recruiting a team, because when you're recruiting a team, you need to convince the team about your mission, vision, and the values which the company stands for. Also, lastly, you need a business plan when attracting alliances and partners, because here you need to establish credibility of the venture. You need to establish history of the venture, you need to establish long-term goals, and you need to establish financial aspects of the venture. Thank you. Hope you learned quite a bit about business plan.